There are dozens of AI writing tools on the market right now, and most of them are going to waste your money. Some are genuinely powerful. Some are built on the same underlying models, but charge you triple for a slick interface. Today, I'm cutting through the noise and telling you exactly which AI writing tools are worth your time and money in 2026, and which ones you can skip entirely. Welcome back to Node Pulse. We cover AI tools from a practical, no-fluff angle, and today we're doing a full breakdown and comparison of the best AI writing tools available right now. I'm talking about tools for blog content, marketing copy, long-form writing, script writing, email, and more. By the end of this video, you'll know which tool fits your use case and how much you should be paying for it. Let's go. Before I get into specific tools, let me give you a framework for how to think about AI writing tools. There are basically two categories. First, there are the raw AI models, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. These are highly capable, flexible, and relatively inexpensive. Second, there are writing-specific platforms built on top of those models, Jasper, Copy.ai, WriteSonic, and others. The writing platforms add templates, workflows, and integrations, but you're often paying a significant premium for those features. Knowing which category you actually need saves you a lot of money. The single most important question to ask before buying any AI writing tool is, does this tool add value beyond what I can get from ChatGPT or Claude directly? If the answer is no, and often it isn't, you're paying for packaging, not capability. Keep that filter in mind as we go through each tool. Let's start with ChatGPT. OpenAI's flagship product is still one of the most capable writing tools available. GPT-4o, the current model, can handle everything from short-form marketing copy to long-form blog posts to technical documentation. The paid tier is $20 per month and gives you access to the best available model, image generation, and browsing. For most writers and content marketers, ChatGPT Plus is the single best value in AI writing tools. The interface is clean, the model is excellent, and the output quality is consistently high when you know how to prompt it well. The main limitation is that there's no built-in SEO integration and no long document workflow. You're working in a chat interface. Claude from Anthropic is the serious challenger to ChatGPT right now, and for long-form writing specifically, many writers actually prefer it. Claude has a 200,000 token context window, which means you can give it an entire book's worth of material to work with at once. The writing style tends to be more nuanced, less robotic, and better at capturing voice than GPT-4 in many users' experience. Claude Pro is also $20 per month. If you're writing books, white papers, long-form research pieces, or anything that requires maintaining a consistent voice across thousands of words, Claude deserves a serious look. Many professional copywriters who use both tools describe Claude as the better writer and ChatGPT as the better researcher. The combination is powerful. Gemini from Google has improved dramatically and is particularly strong for research-heavy writing tasks because of its deep integration with Google's search infrastructure. If you need writing that incorporates current information and citations, Gemini is worth exploring. Google One subscribers get access to Gemini Advanced as part of their subscription, which makes it genuinely good value. Now let's talk about the specialized platforms. Jasper is one of the oldest and most established AI writing platforms. It's built primarily for marketing teams and agencies, with templates for ads, emails, landing pages, social posts, and blog content. Jasper's brand voice feature lets you upload samples of your existing content, and it will write in a style that matches your brand. That's genuinely useful for businesses that have an established voice they need to maintain across large volumes of content. The downside is cost. Jasper starts at $49 per month, which is significantly more than going direct to ChatGPT or Claude. For solo creators or small businesses, that premium is hard to justify. For marketing teams producing content at scale with multiple writers who need consistent brand voice, it can make sense. Copy.ai is similar to Jasper in concept, templates, workflows, marketing focus, but it has positioned itself more around GTM workflows, which stands for go-to-market. It's designed to help sales and marketing teams produce outbound sequences, campaign copy, and product marketing content. If you're running sales outreach at scale, Copy.ai's workflow automation features are actually quite useful. It integrates with CRMs and can automate the production of personalized outreach sequences. For that specific use case, it stands out. Writesonic is a more affordable option in the specialized platform category, starting around $16 per month, and it has a solid built-in SEO mode that integrates with Google Search Console data. For bloggers and content marketers focused on SEO-driven content, Writesonic's ChatSonic feature, combined with its article writer, is worth looking at. It won't beat a skilled human writer for quality, but for volume content production with an SEO focus, it's a practical tool. Surfer SEO combined with AI writing is a combination that many serious content marketers use. Surfer analyzes the top-ranking pages for your target keyword and gives you a content structure and NLP keyword recommendations. Their built-in AI writer uses that data to generate content that's optimized from the jump. If SEO content is your primary focus, the Surfer plus AI writing combination is one of the most effective workflows available. Notion AI is worth mentioning for teams that already live in Notion. If your company uses Notion as its primary workspace, Notion AI is seamlessly integrated and handles drafting, summarizing, editing, and reformatting documents right inside your workflow. It's not the most powerful model, but the integration makes it convenient. For email specifically, there are a handful of focused tools. Lavender is built specifically for sales emails and is trained on millions of data points about what email copy actually gets responses. It scores your emails in real time and suggests improvements to subject lines, opening lines, and calls to action. For sales reps writing cold outreach, it's a legitimately useful tool. Let me give you my actual recommendations by use case. If you're a solo content creator or blogger, start with ChatGPT Plus or Claude Pro at $20 per month each. You don't need a specialized platform. If you're a marketing team producing content at scale, Jasper or Copy.ai may be worth the premium for the workflow features. If SEO content is your game, add Surfer SEO to whatever base AI tool you prefer. If you're a long-form writer, books, research, white papers, Claude is your best bet for its context window and voice quality. The thing that all of these tools have in common is that output quality is directly proportional to input quality. A mediocre prompt gives you mediocre content. If you invest time in learning how to prompt these tools, giving them context, examples, tone guidance, target audience details, desired format, the output improves dramatically. That skill transfers across all platforms, so it's worth developing regardless of which tool you choose. I'd rather have someone with excellent prompting skills using ChatGPT free than someone with poor prompting skills using Jasper at $49 a month. Subscribe to Node Pulse, and we'll keep breaking down the best AI tools out there. See you in the next one. The skill that makes them all better. One thing I want to leave you with: the single most valuable investment you can make in AI writing tools isn't choosing the right platform. It's learning how to prompt effectively. Every tool I mentioned in this video produces dramatically better output when the prompts are specific, context-rich, and well-structured. Write me a blog post about AI produces generic filler on any platform. You are a marketing strategist writing for small electrical contractors. Write a 1,000-word blog post about how AI can help them win more bids, using concrete examples and a tone that's direct and practical, not corporate. Produces something you might actually use. The prompting skill transfers across all platforms. Time invested in learning to prompt well is the highest leverage AI investment you can make, regardless of which tool you subscribe to. Future-proofing your tool choice. The AI writing tool landscape will look different in 12 months than it does today. New models get released, pricing structures change, and new specialized tools emerge. The best approach is to build your workflow around tools that are deeply useful today. Stay curious about what's emerging, and be willing to adapt. Don't get locked into a single tool to the point where switching feels impossible. Your prompts, your workflows, and your skill, those are portable. The specific tool you're using is just the current implementation. The fundamentals stay constant: context in, quality out. Clear instructions, specific examples, iterative refinement. Master those principles, and you'll get excellent results, regardless of which tool you're working with at any given time.